Okay, so now we're going to do another project. We're going to put this garage door opener, we're going to wire it into the signal stalk on the Shelby Cobra Replica, so when I push the button it'll open the garage door. So first thing I need to do is open this up. So I'm opening this like you would normally open it to replace the battery. Harder than I would imagine. There we go. Now, so this is just a standard lithium CR232 battery. So I'm just going to pop that out of there because we're going to need to do some soldering and I don't want to have to. Okay, so now that we got this disconnected, we need to find the button that operates the garage door. I believe this is lined up like this inside there. And I always push this big button. So it's this switch here called switch 4. So what we need to do is do a continuity test on the switch to find out which one of these contacts are closing. Looks like there's 4 connectors on there. Just get yourself a cheap multimeter. These things, I think these things you can get them for under $10. So I have continuity. So let's go ahead and check this button here. So this is going to be a little tricky to do. Oh, I have to just push it against the. Okay, so what I'll do is check. We'll just put the contacts together here, and then we'll push down. So this is the back of the switch. This connector and this connector is one inside the switch, and that is, yeah, there's one. You can see there's copper traces coming off of the board. This is where it's completing the circuit. These two are not connecting to anything internally in the circuit. They're just held there for physical properties. So it's actually holding the switch on the board, these two. But they do functionally work as a switch. So I'm going to solder my wires to this one and this one. I could do it to these two. It doesn't really matter, I guess. Alright, so here are the wires I'm going to use. These plug into the connectors I've already put on in the car. So I just need to strip these wires back. There, and there. Alright, we're good to go. So now we need to figure out how to route this wire out of this device. Just here. There. Alright, put this back in here. Alright, put the battery in there. We'll put this thing back together. Alright, it's all back together. So now we're going to test it. I'm going to connect these two leads together, and if it works properly, then that garage door behind me should close. Here, we'll do it with the tweezers. Let's say it worked. Alright, I think we're ready. So I'm going to put some Velcro on here, I think. And then hook it inside there and we'll see what it looks like. Alright, it's mounted. So it doesn't matter which one I plug into which. Shouldn't matter because just it's like a switch. So alright, I'll clean these wires up in a minute. So we'll see if it works.
It matters, I'll fix it.
See you next time. Over and out.